Whoa! You would have done.
Oh, well, I would have got her face.
Things I do.
Is it just in your punch?
Do my best. I don't like it already. I don't like the bomb. Don't you dare! You're
On purpose. Was it us that whacked off the
It's
tyres?
fine, Nigel boy.
Mum, was it us that whacked the tyres off the tree?
I think so, I don't
Was
know.
it? Really are, look.
Please let me out now. Which way am I going? Yeah, to you guys. The bottom right-hand corner is not as bad as it has been in past years. This exit corner, though, is awful. There is a big ditch just as you come onto the exit corner. I am very reassured to see that they're pulling the tyres back to the tree. Now, if you could see the offside here of the track when people are getting the airtime, you'll be amazed at the size. You can float ducks in the hole just past the tree there, which is why most of these drivers are getting all four wheels off the track.
Or just going into the...
Yeah, that's what I like. The red flag, brilliant. Quite like to swear then. I do prefer it when I can see what's in front, I have to say. Getting in front of us, and a good view of Richie. Not a good view of the corner. And it's dusty. An awful lot of smoke coming out the back, and I think it's Simon Mills there, is it? Is that Staple Steam? And it looks like we've lost, that was like, right, let's make close to the back of this car for my liking. Right, oh my life. Oh no, oh no. Oh no, Nigel! Leave it, no!
Roll it, come on, roll it.
Okay, that really hurt. Never, ever, 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 ever again am I coming out in the bangers. Never again.
Great quiet, isn't it?
Oh, surely it's only 3 laps to go.
I think they should do 20 laps.
He's come on.
Come on, Nige, give her help. You're on the tree now.
Really not like to exit corner. Really not like to exit corner at all. This corner's so much better than it used to be. Oh,